Let's take a look at how email works within Forms Boss. On your customer screen, you notice you'll have an email tab as your very second tab here. Let me just demonstrate for you how the email system works within Forms Boss. I'm going to click New Email, and it will open up my email dialog screen. You'll notice here at the top of the screen, you've got obviously the send button, and then you have a signature button where you can create a signature that will appear at the bottom of every email. You can put whatever you want to have in your email signature there and click Save, and that will appear then in every email that you send with that signature. You have the option to select a checkbox here for read receipt so that you'll know when your recipient has read this email. You can also set a priority level here. You can select different levels of priority. And you have your typical fields here that you can enter the addresses that you're going to actually send the email to. Obviously, you'll need to put an email address in the To field here. This carbon copy is just the opportunity to send somebody else a courtesy copy of this email. And a blind courtesy copy allows you to send this email to somebody without the other people being able to see that you sent it to them. You can obviously type directly in these fields, or you can also pull up a list of all of the emails that you have entered in Forms Boss by just clicking Select. And then you would be able to just choose an email from your list here. You could search for a name of a company or a customer, or you can search by the email address if you wanted to find whatever email address that you want to send this to. I'm going to actually just go back here and just type one in. You can enter a subject, and then down below here is where you'll have your ability to type your message for your email. Once you have typed in your message, you can just click Send. And it will tell you that the message has been sent. You can click OK. You can close the message window, and you can come back here to your email tab on your customer screen, and you'll see that that email that we just sent is included there in the list. You can delete emails from your list if you want to. You can go back in and look at this one by just double clicking on it if you want to, and you could resend it if you needed to, or make changes and send it a little bit differently if you needed to. There is also the option of emailing forms within Forms Boss. Let me show you how that works. You actually go over here to the Forms tab in order to email a form, and you'll select the form that you want to email and click Email Forms. Here it will open up the email form again, but you'll notice if you click on this Attachments tab that it has created a PDF version of that form and attached it to this message. So you'll be able to still type in on this message anything that you want to say to go along with this form. And then you can send the message with the form attached. I'm going to close out of that screen and then go back over here to the email tab, and you'll see that it has added in that last email that I sent. I forgot to put in a subject, but it added it into the list. I will note that if a person responds to your email that you sent from within Forms Boss, that response will not appear in Forms Boss. It'll just appear wherever you receive your regular emails. But any email that's sent from within Forms Boss will be kept track of in this email tab list here. So that gives you a glimpse of how to use the email feature of Forms Boss.